Hey guys, this is Gavin's Fan Check here today with another, not a ceiling fan video, but a portable fan video. This is a black Lasko Cool Colors box fan. Sold at Walmart, but this one has a small issue. I actually have to go and find the part, so I'm going to pause the video. So I'm back. When I got it from the dump, this is the switch that was in it. That is in wonderful condition, and it did not work. So, this is actually one of the worst cases I've seen of these switches. I did go out with my way. I put a new switch in it, and that's why this demonstration video is being posted. If it did not work, or if it only half-assed worked, it would be a destruction video. Let me actually get the date off of it, because if there is one that's visible. It's dated 2020, I think. Yeah, that's the date code on it. So, it's got one of the feet left, and that's literally it. So, I guess we'll start off with low speed now. For the record, it's freezing up here and I'm doing this video. But it's low. So you'd need to do a little bit of a cleaning on it. Nothing major, but I do plan on selling this, so this is for sale if anybody wants it. It's probably going to go on Facebook Marketplace or something. So if it doesn't sell, I'll probably end up parting it out and probably destroying it. I don't know, but these things I have a hard as hell time selling them. So here's medium. Here it has that notorious lasko jiggle that they have. Runs pretty good. On high, it likes to slide itself back. I don't know if it's going to do it here, but there's a side view of it. It's the back of it. Here's high. Kind of clears up. And then we'll do the spin down. Should spin down pretty quick. And that's it. Bye.